Hello, welcome to the Indian cooktop. Idli, dosa, vada or rice. Breakfast, lunch or dinner. Normal meal or special meal. Whatever is the food, whatever is the time, it will fulfill only when there is a delicious sambar. So here I am with a quick, simple, healthy and delicious sambar recipe which takes about 20 minutes time along with the sambar powder. So now let's look into the recipe. For powder preparation, first I heated up the pan and added quarter spoon of oil, and when the oil heated up, I am adding bengal gram, red gram and green gram, each 2 tablespoons. Here all they are slitted and polished ones. So I am sauteing them for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that I am adding fenugreek and black pepper, each quarter spoon, and sauteing them for about 2 minutes. After sauteing them, I am going to add 6 to 7 red chilies. Here I am adding them one by one because they all took different times for frying. By adding them one by one, they are going to release a nice flavor and it gives to the sambar very good taste. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and going to fry them for about 2 minutes. This all process should be done in low flame. Next, I am adding 1 spoon of cumin and 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut, and I am going to switch off the flame. By adding 4 to 5 garlic cloves, I am cooling down the spices. Meanwhile, I am cooking the vegetables. Here, I am taking the vegetables which are available to me. Here, I am using drumstick, bottle gourd, green chilies, coccinea, onions, tomato, green chilies and lady's finger. Now I am going to add all these vegetables to the pressure cooker, and I am adding 1 spoon of red chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric and salt as per the taste. And also I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil to these vegetables, and I am going to mix them well. And now I am adding half glass of water to the vegetables. By putting the lid on, I am cooking the vegetables for 1 whistle. Meanwhile, I added the spices to the mixie jar and making them into a powder. Here I am not making the powder too fine or too coarse. Like this we have to prepare the powder. So our sambar masala is ready. After getting 1 whistle, vegetables cooked like this. And to these vegetables, I am going to add 100 grams of cooked red gram and tamarind juice. And also I am going to add 1 liter of water. By keeping the flame on high, I bring this into a boil. And at this stage, I am going to add some curry leaves to the sambar, so that curry leaves gives a nice flavor and aroma to the sambar. According to the thickness and sourness of the sambar, we can adjust the water. But for me, 1 liter of water sufficient. And when the sambar comes to boiling, I am adding the sambar masala which we prepared. I am mixing it well. After mixing it, I am going to add some coriander and a tablespoon of jaggery. Here the jaggery balances all the flavors of spice and sourness and gives a wonderful flavor. If we don't like this jaggery, we can skip it. Means the jaggery is optional. Here to the vegetables, I added only 1 spoon of red chili powder because in the sambar powder we added red chilies and peppercorns both, and also we are using green chilies too. So we have to be careful in using red chili powder. When the sambar comes to boiling, I put the lid on, and by keeping the flame on low, I am going to cook it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am going to prepare the seasoning for the sambar. For that, first I heated up the bowl and added 2 tablespoons of oil to the bowl. And when the oil heated up, I am adding half tablespoon of mustard seeds and quarter spoon of fenugreek seeds. And when they fluttered well, I am adding 3 to 4 garlic cloves and 4 to 5 red chilies. When they fried well, I am adding half spoon of cumin and a pinch of asafoetida and curry leaves. Asafoetida is optional. If you don't like it, you can skip. Now I'm going to switch off the flame, and to this seasoning I am adding the sambar. And really, trust me, the aroma is wonderful. We can't stop eating this sambar. This sambar well suits to the rice, idli, dosa and even vada. Here one can add the jaggery according to their own taste. Some likes more jaggery, some doesn't like jaggery. So it depends on the own taste. And here is our delicious sambar is ready. I think you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please press the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel, The Indian Cooktop. And also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.